Okay, so your robot has been programmed. It knows the rooms. It's mapped them. It comes back to the charging station, but you need to clean it out because now it's got dirt in it after it, did its thing, after it went through the whole map. So I'm just going to take it off the charging station and turn it around. And I'm just going to show you right here. You see that little green thing? You have to depress it and then pull it. And then it comes right out.
Water bin is uninstalled.
Yeah, so now it knows that this needs to be reinstalled. If I squeeze this and pop this up, that's where all the dirt is. Now we got to clean that out, right? So we're going to take it over to the garbage can and clean it out. And I'm going to show you how to pop the filter too. So let's do that, okay? All right, I'm just grabbing my garbage can, right? And so I'm just going to open this up. And by pushing this down, putting my thumb right here and popping it open. And then really all I got to do is just dump it in like that. Now, if I really want to get it clean, I could take and use, like a paper towel, maybe to like wet it, a little bit of water on it, and then you could go in here and, really get it cleaned out a little bit. Try to get all the junk out of it. You know what I mean? Like that. Just like that. And then you can also pop this open and you can, try to clean the filter out a little bit. The filter pops out. You can just shake it out. But I think, just one cleaning, you don't want to throw your filter away. You want to keep it in there. So that's how you do put it in there. It's right here it is. You just slip it in like that. And then this closes. And that's your filter. Now you can't clean the filter with this device on top right here. So if I pop it open, right, like this, and then I could just brush all this off. Let me throw that out. Just like that. And then I can pop this open, and I could brush this too, you see? Just to kind of get it clean. And then maybe, check this out here. But then when you're done, then you just close it right here. You just squeeze it, all right? And then if you want to go in here and just get stuff, you can, whatever. And then you're ready to go. Now you can just go ahead and shut this. And bam, now we can put it back into the, this goes like this, by the way. So you see that little hook? That goes down here at the bottom where that little depression is. And that's how that goes. Now this is ready to go back into the machine. So let's go back. And we'll put her back in the machine and put her back on the dock. I go to the back of the machine, and I'm just going to slide it right in there like this. Bam, done.
Dustbin installed.
And it just tells me the dustbin's installed. Now, I could clean this, too. Let me show you how that would work. I just press on these two. I could clean this up. I just press on these two. And then I could pull this out of there and, get all the stuff off of here. You follow me? Now, the knife that you have in your dustbin, you can use to cut this. You can see there's a little bit on here. So you don't want that stuff to be left on there. And because then it accumulates. So it's good to clean this. It's good to clean this every once in a while. Otherwise, you're going to get a lot of hair wrapped in it. So you just got to push it back in there. Shut that down. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Slip that there. And these snap in. And then we flip it over. This side goes into your charger. Just like that.
Charging.
And that's it, man. That's how you do it. That's how you clean her up real quick after you're working. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out our other awesome videos. Peace out.